Shocking visuals are coming in from the Singhu border. This is with regard to the farmers' march. They had been squatting at the border for over 10 months now, but now high drama is being reported. This is the Punjab-Haryana border. Kisan want to march to the national capital, Delhi. And now we are told that while they've started to breach the barricades. Now there are multiple layers of barricading. They have breached at least the first two. The cops are requesting them, urging them not to go ahead further. They will not be allowed. And look at the kind of preparations. The farmers are asking, are these kind of sharp stoppage for them, the irons that have been placed, necessary? The cops are alleging that they are only walking on foot right now. They have, the cops meanwhile have said that the orders are very clear. They cannot enter into Delhi. The parliament session is on. There are barbed wires, there are barricades, there are nailed roadblocks. Farmers have been urged to take a step back. The question is, why haven't been there a discussion between the government and the farmers to resolve the issue? We're talking about Shambhu border, and at the Shambhu border, which is basically Haryana, and that is where the cops are saying that you cannot go ahead further. It is not permitted. What about the farm leaders? Why are they not in touch with the government? Why is the government not reaching out to them? Because this, remember, has been a long-standing issue now. What is concerning, and we'll play out in just a short while. My colleague Anmol Bali and Asim Bassi are there on the ground. Look at this. This was the first barricade, the yellow barricade placed by the cops that the farmers breached. What you see ahead of you, and this is the NH44. This is otherwise supposed to be a busy intersection. Anmol Bali is sending us this ground report. Let's take a look. If you can hear me, I understand heightened action and chaos around you. Look at that.
मेरे पीछे तस्वीरों में आप देख सकते हैं जो किसान और हरियाणा पुलिस में जो खींचतान चल रही थी, उसी बीच हरियाणा पुलिस ने आंसू गैस के गोलों का इस्तेमाल करना शुरू कर दिया। जैसे ही इस लोहे की जाली को किसान जंजीर के जरिए तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, तभी जो हरियाणा पुलिस है, पैरामिलिट्री के जवान है, आंसू गैस के जो गोले हैं वो छोड़ देते हैं, जिससे किसानों को तितर बितर कर दिया जाता है। साफ तौर पर तस्वीरों में आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं जो 101 किसानों का जो जत्था था, यहाँ मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं शंभू बॉर्डर से रवाना हुए थे, वहीं आंसू गैस का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है।
Telling us about the tear gas shells that have been fired. Look at even the deployment, not of the force in person, but that's the rapid action force that's put literally an iron wall. And they're also wearing masks because that's when the tear gas shells have been fired. Anmol, if you can hear me, just in case. And as he brings us these live visuals on your screen, so these are multiple barricades. This was the first layer on your screen. The yellow big barricades that were first broken by the Kisan groups. Then they went ahead, broke another layer of barricade, the one that you see in orange. Then, before they reached the rapid action force deployed, which is also, remember, with regard to proper wall that has been constructed. And the force asking them, urging them to not step ahead. You're looking at both sides of the national highway. So on one side that you see where there are tents, there are deployments that have taken place. On the other side are the farmers who intend to enter into Delhi. So basically this means both sides of NH44 currently have been completely blocked. The route have been diverted. So another side of this story is the kind of inconvenience that regular commuters, those who have to cross this border on a daily basis, have been facing. Look at this. This is the image on your screen, the farmers there. This is Ambala. So we are showing you different locations. One is precisely Shambhu border, but one different sides, specifically at the Haryana-Punjab border before Delhi. Tear gas shells, that's the tear gas that you see. And our colleagues are reporting on the ground consistently.
किसानों के ऊपर आंसू गैस के गोले छोड़ दिए गए हैं। आप देखिए कि जो किसान यहाँ पर आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, उनके ऊपर आंसू गैस के गोले छोड़ दिए गए हैं और किसान बैरिकेडों से पीछे आ गए हैं और इन किसानों के ऊपर आंसू गैस के गोले छोड़ दिए गए हैं। ये आप देखिए, किसानों के ऊपर आंसू गैस के गोले छोड़ दिए गए हैं। आप देखिए कि जो किसान यहाँ पर आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, उनके ऊपर आंसू गैस के गोले छोड़ दिए गए हैं और किसान बैरिकेडों से पीछे आ गए।
Bali, there is also Asim Bassi. Asim Bassi sends us this ground report about what he's witnessing right now on the ground. Asim, if you can hear me, just in case, go ahead. What do you see around you? I see tear gas. I see the farmers taking a step back. But are they going to, after a while, head further with regard to the barricading?
Well, I can tell you that the situation was calm. At 1 p.m., 101 farmers moved towards the Haryana territory. But then suddenly, the Haryana police, after warning them that they do not have any kind of permission to go beyond this point, firstly, they broke down 2 barricades, removed it, and then eye on eye, they were very close to that final barricade you can see behind me, where the Haryana police has stopped them with the farmers are with the flags. But suddenly,
दिल्ली चलो मार्च है वो जारी रखेंगे, पर वहीं आप देख सकते हैं एक तरफ डेड लॉक जैसी सिचुएशन पैदा हो चुकी है, जहां हरियाणा पुलिस भी अपनी बात पर अड़ी है और किसान भी जो है यहां से हिलने की बात नहीं कर रहे। सीध
That's Anmol Bali and Asim Bassi. Both have been sending us these ground reports. And this basically is reflective of the heightened tensions. The cops have clear orders that the farmers cannot be allowed to breach toward Delhi, where the parliament session is on. And look at the deployment on both sides. These are supposed to be 2 sides of the highway. Both have been blocked by the deployment. And see the kind of what looks temporary but increasingly becoming a permanent fixture, because for months the farmers have been squatting there at the border. This is the busy NH44, Shambhu border, Haryana, Punjab, and then, of course, will come Delhi.